Today's video is dedicated to the product Cosrx Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Now this is the product which you must have seen being featured in so many videos of mine. This is the product which I first discovered in the year 2017 and I still like to use it in my skincare routine. Like so far I have used up completely used up 3 bottles of it, and this is technically my 4th bottle. Like even now I have 2 empty bottles of it with me. Like these are empty and fully used up, and this is the brand new one. You must be wondering like why am I making a dedicated video on this. It is because like even though I have talked about it so many times, I still repetitively get asked same types of questions, same types of doubt, same types of concern regarding this product. And so this is why, like I think on Sunday, on this last Sunday I did a Q&A thing on my Instagram story. I collected all your queries and I got nearly I think 50 questions from you. Some of them are like repetitive or of similar kind, so I will not be answering each and every queries like one by one. I have grouped them into similar kind, and so that I'm able to cover up everything regarding this product. So the first and foremost, what is snail mucin, how it is like collected, and if any snails are harmed or tortured or killed in the process. So snail mucin is basically a secretion from the snail body. Yes, very gross thing, but yeah, it's a secretion from the snail body. Like you must have seen that snail literally crawl over every kind of surface, from smooth to rough to very sharp to very rocky surfaces. So their body is automatically prone to a lot of scratches, but this mucin which is secreted from its body, it heals the snail skin and also protects the skin from all the bacteria and unnecessary scratches and all the things. So now coming to second thing, when the snail mucin is collected, no snails are killed, no snails are harmed, no snails are tortured. Like the brand, like I've learned this directly from the brand Cosrx, and I will be talking everything in aspect to the brand Cosrx since we are talking about this product. So the brand Cosrx, like they have said this many times on their Instagram story, and also I had the chance to talk to the representative, like the PR person from the brand Cosrx, and also they did demonstrate this on their Instagram story long time back. So basically they provide all the shelter, food and comfort to the snail, and in fact they feed ginseng and good herbs to all these snails so that when they secrete the mucin from their body, it's of good quality. If the mucin is forcefully collected from the snail, the quality of the mucin will not be good. The mucin will not be effective on your skin. So this is why they never ever torture or harm the snail. Whenever the time comes of the collection, what they do is they put all these snail and let them freely crawl over the net, and as the snail crawl through, they leave behind the trails of the mucin, and this mucin is then collected and processed and put into this product. This is how things work. And next thing I got asked is which skin type can use the Cosrx Snail Mucin Essence. All skin types can use it. Doesn't matter if you have dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, rosacea skin, acne skin, like whatever your skin type is, everyone can use it, because I call this product as the food for your skin. Like don't eat this product, just apply it on your face. This is literally a good food for your skin. It keeps your skin overall healthy. So unless your skin is sensitive or reactive towards the snail mucin as an ingredient or anything which is used in this Cosrx Snail Mucin Essence, I don't think there should be any reason for you to skipping this or avoiding this. This is literally suitable for all skin type, and also this is suitable for all age group. Like if you are a teenager, you can use it. If you are in your 20s, you can use it. If you are in 30s, 40s, 50s, 80s, like everyone can use it. The next question is can this product be used in the summer and monsoon? This can actually be used in all the season, because this product is more like a gentle treatment for your skin. So yeah, use it all year around. I use it all year around. So what exactly this Cosrx Snail Mucin does for your skin? Why everybody loves this product? Why I love this product? I love this product because this helps in fading the acne marks. This helps in reducing the dullness on your skin. This helps in getting that even skin tone. Like at least for me, like the dark patches which I had around my mouth, this is the product, like this is that one of the product that has immensely helped in lightening this darkness around my mouth. Finally, this helps in keeping your skin overall healthy. It also reduces little bit of your minor fine lines. And the next thing which I often get asked is, does the Cosrx Nail Essence hydrate your skin? For this I want to say that it depends on your skin type and what concern if you have. Like if you have normal skin, combination skin, oily skin, this is going to be sufficiently hydrating for your skin type. But if you have like extremely dry skin, damaged skin, dehydrated skin, this will not be sufficiently hydrating for you. Like I was asked this one question in my Q&A thing. Suppose like if your requirement is to get plump skin, should you go for hyaluronic acid or for this product? I would recommend hyaluronic acid. Like if you need something to plump your skin, intensely hydrate your skin, then hyaluronic acid should be your product. Also I get asked like, does the Cosrx Nail Mucin Essence helps in reducing the breakout? Is it a product which you should be using to treat your acne? This honestly is not the product to treat your acne, but at the same time it's not gonna irritate your skin or worsen your acne. Like if you have acne prone skin, you can safely use this. It's not gonna harm your skin or cause more breakout. But at the same time, when I have breakout, this is not the product that I go for. I have separate product for this. I save this product for the after acne treatment to get rid of that pigmentation on my skin. So the next question is, can this Nail Mucin help in reducing the pitted acne scarring? When we get that pitted acne mark, what happens is during the acne, our skin is so badly inflamed that it loses a part of the skin and we get a dent, or how should I say, like so many pits, small pits in our skin. This is why it is called as pitted scarring. So this Nail Mucin can help a little. Like don't expect magical result, like that's not gonna happen, but yes, if you consistently use this, you might see a very slight improvement in that. Again, it depends like how severe your pitted scarring is. Like if it's a very superficial one, it will help a little, but if it's a very deep and very old one, you might have to visit a dermatologist for the laser treatment. Next question is, does the Nail Mucin helps in healing your skin barrier? Does it reduce redness in rosacea prone skin? So first of all, coming to the barrier part, it definitely helps a little in healing your damaged skin barrier, but it's not gonna help a lot. If you are using this product, you will still need a good barrier cream which contains ceramide, fatty acid or cholesterol. So this can form a good part of your skin barrier routine, but on its own it's not gonna help a lot. So if you have to pick just one product to heal your skin barrier, I would suggest go for the ceramide based moisturizer instead of this. When it comes to reducing the redness on rosacea prone skin, it can help a little, and it does help a little, but at the same time it's not the best option out there. Like I'm saying, this product does a little bit of everything for you. This is why I say that this is like a complete food for your skin. But if you have like a very specific severe skin condition, you will need additional product along with this. This is definitely gonna work like a booster, like a good supportive system for your rest of the product. So if you have like rosacea prone skin, I have another video on it, please check it out from here. And the next commonly asked question was, can the Nail Mucin Essence be used with all the active base serum like your AHA, BHA, vitamin C, retinol, your peptide, Like, can you use this product with all those ingredients? You can safely use this with anything and everything. It really goes well with your AHA, BHA, vitamin C, retinol, peptide, arbutin, tranexamic acid. Like, feel free to use this stuff with everything. I have used it. It has always worked fabulously. Other thing which I always get asked, like, even though I've answered it many times, but I always get asked by the new people who join my channel, snail mucin contains glycolic acid. Can it be used with exfoliator? Like, is it safe for that? See people, you need to understand this. First of all, the Cosrx snail essence, like this product does not contain glycolic acid separately, and snail mucin, like snail mucin as an ingredient, the glycolic acid is just a small fraction of it, like a very small part of it. So it can safely be used with all sort of exfoliator, all sort of retinol. Like people, I've used this snail mucin with my tretinoin gel. I have used this with Ediphiline. I have used this product with what is that? Cosrx Whitehead Power Liquid. Yeah, that exfoliator. So this product is something that I've tested with anything and everything. It is out there. So yeah, so this can safely be combined with anything. I am saying this like this is coming from someone who has been using this product from such long time. Okay, so since we are on the topic of actives and all serums and stuff, I do get asked like how to layer this snail mucin. Should it be used before your active base serum or after the serum? At what step this will come? So yeah, this was other question which was asked by many of you. This is how the order will look like. Like, you first gonna cleanse your face, and if you are using any exfoliator like AHA, BHA, PHA, your scrubs, clay marks, they will come first. And then you gonna follow up with your toner. Technically you should be using toner before using this product, and after the toner your essences come. So this will come after your toner, and then you gonna apply all your serums. Like, you're gonna use your vitamin C serum, arbutin serum, tranexamic acid serum, literally whatever serum you prefer to use, your retinol serum, everything will come after this product. And then you're gonna end your routine with a moisturizer. But if you are like, no, I want to use my vitamin C, my what is that, niacinamide, my whatever, like your arbutin, tranexamic acid before this product, can you do that? Of course you can do that. You will get similar result. It really doesn't matter, especially with this product. It really doesn't matter that you use your serum after this or before this. But technically I personally feel this will come first because of the consistency and because of what this product is. Like, even though this product looks like as if it has a very thick and tacky and sticky texture, but actually it's not sticky, actually it's not rich. And if you use this product before your serum, it also like reduces the chances of your skin getting irritated with that vitamin C or any kind of serums out there. So this is why I suggest, especially if you have like sensitive skin or if you are a beginner, I always suggest that you use your snail mucin before your active base serum. Other interesting question which I got is should this snail mucin essence to be applied on damp skin, or can it be used on your dry skin, and if a toner is necessary before this essence? In case if you are using any other serum or treatment or toner before this, let that product sink in completely into your skin and then follow up with this product. And if you use a toner before this product, it's a good thing. It's gonna boost the performance of this product. But at the same time, if you are like, I don't like too many, I'm not a fan of layering too many products, or I'm on a tight budget, I don't want to invest on a toner. So if that's the case, you can use it on its own, but make sure that you do follow up with a good moisturizer. And the next question I got asked was if this can be used on a daily basis. Can it be used for both morning and night routine? You can safely use it daily. You can safely use it for both morning and night routine. Next question is what's the difference between the snail mucin and its moisturizer, and which one is better? The key difference between these two products is that the essence contains higher concentration of snail mucin, whereas the moisturizer contains slightly lower concentration of snail mucin. And I personally, if I have to like pick any one out of these two, I'm always gonna pick the essence, because in my experience the essence has always worked worked better and faster than the moisturizer on my skin. For moisturizer, like, I have many options with me. I do like to change my moisturizer. Sometimes I use that or this, but there is no alternative to this product, so this is my first preference. And I'm almost done answering all the queries except for 3. Like these 3 I did save for the last. Like some of you did share some bad experience with this product, and I got 3 of such queries and I have noted them down and I'm gonna answer them. So the first one was, this product made my skin dry. Why is it so? See, first of all, I don't know like how you're using it, what products are you combining with this product, but this product is not supposed to dry out your skin. In case you are using it on its own, do follow up with a moisturizer, and if it still dries out your skin, there is a chance this is not suiting your skin. Because in general, any skincare product, no matter how good it is, no matter how much it is raved about in the market, and if that product abnormally dries out your skin, then it's a clear sign that product is not working for you, it's not suiting your skin. Your skin might be like sensitive to any of its ingredient or the snail mucin in it. And the next thing which you shared is it gave me pimple vibe. Again, I don't know like if it is not working well with any other skincare product in your routine, but if it is abnormally giving you breakout, all I will say is stop using it, because there are people on whose skin snail mucin might not work well. Your skin might be sensitive towards the snail mucin or anything used in this product. Another one was a very unique question, like on Reddit someone shared that with the consistent usage this product, it gives facial hair. It really doesn't happen. Like, I'm using it from 4 years. So I hope like this video answers all your queries and doubts regarding this product. And if any of your friends or family members still have a doubt on this product, feel free to share this video with them. And if you have like some more doubts on this product, feel free to drop them in the comment section below, and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you watch this video till the end, thank you so much. You are amazing, and I will see you next time. Bye.